Today, on occasion of January 30, the Martyrs' Day, we shall discuss about what is a Martyr Day and why do we observe Martyr Day and basically who is a martyr. So, a day named in honor of those who are recognized as martyrs for the nation is called a Martyr Day. Who is a martyr? A person who is put to death or endures great suffering on behalf of any belief, principle, or cause is called a martyr. In India, we observe 6 days as Martyr Days. Those are on 30th January, 23rd of March, 19th of May, 21st of October, 17th of November, and 19th of November. As everybody knows, 30th January is on the remembrance of assassination of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mr. Nathuram Godse have shot dead Gandhiji. On that remembrance, we observe 30th Jan as a Martyrs' Day. What is 23rd of March? 23rd of March is the assassination day of Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev Thapar, Shivaram Rajguru. Who are these three members? Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev Thapar and Shivaram Rajguru are the persons who are the revolutionaries who fought against British Raj. On issue of Lahore conspiracy, those three members were hanged on 23rd of March 1930 publicly. So on remembrance of these three members called Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Shivaram Rajguru, we observe 23rd of March as Martyrs' Day and 19th of May. Actually, it is also called Language Martyr Day or Bhasha Shahid Divas. So what is this Language Martyr Day? In Assam, the government of Assam has declared Assamese as the official language of the state. Even though a significant proportion of people were Bengali population, those government has declared Assamese as the official language. So in this incident of a Bengali language movement of Barak Valley, 15 people were killed by state police. This took place on May 19, 1961 at Silchar railway station. So, on the remembrance of these 15 people who were killed because of participating in Bengali language movement, we observe 19th May as Language Martyr Day. 21st of October. This is also called Police Martyr Day or it is observed as a national-wide Martyrs Day by the police department. On this date, that is 21st of October 1959, CRPF patrol at Indo-Tibetan border in Ladakh was ambushed by the Chinese forces. So this day is observed as Police Martyrs Day in respect to every policeman. And 17th of November. On this date, Odisha state government observes 17th November as death anniversary of Lala Lajpat Rai. This Lala Lajpat Rai is also called Lion of Punjab. 19th November. 19th November actually is a birthday of Rani Lakshmi Bai, who is the queen of Maratha ruled princely state of Jhansi. To honor those who gave their lives in 1857 revolt, we observe the birthday of Rani Lakshmi Bai 19th November as Martyrs' Day. While we observe these 6 days, all 30th Jan, 23rd March, 19th May, 21st of October and 17th of November are the assassination days, but only 19th November is the birthday of Rani Lakshmi Bai, which is being celebrated as Martyrs' Day. So now let us know what do we do on this Martyrs' Day. On Martyrs' Day, the President, Vice President, Prime Minister, Defense Minister and all the chiefs of three services, that is Air Force, Navy and Military Army, gather at Samadhis at Rajghat Memorial and lay wreath of decorated with flower. The armed force personnel blow bugles sounding the last post. The inter-services contingent reverse arms as mark of their respect. A 2-minute silence in memory of the Indian martyrs is observed throughout the country at 11 a.m. So this is what we need to know about the Martyrs' Day. Thank you.